In the yesterday class, we have started probability exercise problem, and 1 to 5 problem we have done. Yesterday in the paper, I have sent a copy of for you also. You have seen that one. Up to 5th problem we have done. Today we will continue with the 6th problem. 6th problem is based on the example problem, which is given in 14th chapter. That example you have to take and write as a homework. 6th problem. We will start for 7th problem. 7th question. What is given there? In a class of 200 students, they are taken one survey. What they are telling? In a class of 200 students, those who are liking a subject of statistics subject, those who are liking, and those who are disliking. So they are given the data. Those who are liking the statistics subject are 135 students are liking the statistics subject. Second one, disliking students, those who don't like that subject at all, they are 65. So totally number of given is what? 200. Out of this 200, 135 is liking the subject, 65 is not liking the statistics subject. What is your question in the problem? Find the probability of the student who likes statistics. So in the column, how many of them liking statistics? 1, 3, 5, 135. So your right is 135 upon 200. Finish. If it is simplifiable, is there? Simplify it with the number. So I have simplified with the 5 table. So 27 upon 40 is my probability ratio. Those who like the statistics chapter. First one. Second one, they are asking those who not like the statistics chapter also. How many have been disliking statistics chapter? 65 students don't like statistics. So what is the probability of does not like statistics chapter? 65 upon 200. 65 upon 200. Once again simplify by 5 table. 13 upon 40. So probability ratio is 13 upon 40. Don't divide and write in decimal and all. Directly write in ratio, that is enough. If it is 100 multiple, 1000 multiple, if it is coming big, then you can put the decimal point and write it in decimal. If it is smaller number. If it is bigger number, means don't write for division. Keep it as it is. Your mark will be you will be getting the mark of that problem. Don't try for division. Understood? So 7th question is statistics subject. Those who are liking, disliking. Liking 135 upon 200, disliking 65 upon 200. Simplify, write the ratio. Finish. And 8th question also based on the 14th chapter problem, example problem, and you have to try that one with the help of your calculation method. 8th question you write as a homework. And 9th question you will do. It is an activity problem. What they are getting in the activity problem? In your house you are sitting there, and through the on the road you are noticing how many two-wheeler crossing your gate, three-wheeler crossing your gate, four-wheeler crossing your gate, and you are noticing. So I have taken a randomly. In my front of my gate, how many vehicles are traveling? Two-wheeler, 65 two-wheelers are traveling. Three-wheeler, 20 three-wheeler are traveling. Four-wheelers, 15 numbers are traveling, crossing my gate on the road. So total event is what? 65 plus 20 plus 15. That is equal to 100 event is total event. What they are asking in the problem? Find the probability of one vehicle passing is of two-wheeler. That means what? In two-wheeler, how many vehicles are passing? What is the probability they are asking? So what is the probability? I have taken here 65 number as a two-wheeler crossing my gate. So I have taken here 65 upon 100. Now you see upon 100 is there. Now you can put the decimal 0.65. 0.65. You can put the decimal. So your ratio is 0.65. That is your 9th question, which is activity about two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler. Same thing, 10th question also based on the activity. What is the activity they are given? You have to select all the 3-digit number and you have to select the number which are divisible by 3. Then group it. How many number from where the 3-digit number start? 100, first number. Ending 999. From 100 to 999 is the 3-digit number. In that number, you have to select which are the number which is divisible by 3 and count it how many number. Then total number also you complete. Total even from 100 to 99 how many numbers are there? Count it. Then you write it 3-digit number counting is this much which is divisible by 3 upon total number of even. That one you have to take it as a homework. So 6th question you try it. 8th question you try it, 10th question also you try it. Then we will go for the 11th question, which is also very easy. They are having some 11 bags of wheat flour. What is that? Wheat flour powder we are having in a bag. 11 bags they are keeping. It is mentioned as 5 kg bag. But when you are putting the weight, actually you are getting different weight. 11 bags getting 11 weights are getting. They are given that one. Actual weight in kgs is given. When you are putting the bag in a weighing machine, you are getting different pattern, but it is printed as 5 kg bag. So they are checking it one. First one 4.97, second one 5.05, 5.08, 5 kilo, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07, 5 kg, 5.03. Totally 11 bags they are putting in the weighing machine and taking note in the weight of the bag. Each one given the recorded here. So what they are asking? Probability of, what they are asking question is in the problem, probability of bags contain more than 5 kg. More than, when they are putting the weight, they are getting more than 5 kg. How many bags are having more than 5 kg? So from the data you see 4.95, no. 5.05, yes, 0.05 gram is more. 5.08, yes, more. 5, exactly 5 is not needed. 5.06, yes, more. 5.08, more. 4.98, no. 5.04, yes. 5.07, yes. 5 kg, exactly, no, not needed. 5.03, yes. So how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units are there which is more than 5 kg. So I have written 7. Upon how many bags? 11 bags. So 7 upon 11 is the ratio, probability ratio. And don't divide this 7 and 11 because it will get decimal. So write it as a ratio itself. Okay? Up to this one, 11th question we have completed. Some 2 questions are remaining there that we will take it in the next class also. Okay? So write down all these problems in your fair notebook and what are the things I have mentioned as homework. Try it. If not, I will teach you in the later classes. Okay? Thank you.